Hi everyone! I'm not a professional cook yet, but I really like it, and of course I really like to eat. I believe that any delicious and complicated dishes can be cooked at home by yourself. Today we'll be cooking the dessert named Millefeuille with mixed berries. Let's get started! Prepare the cream pâtissière. In a large bowl, whisk the egg yolks with the sugar. I highly recommend to use a mixer. Whisk until the mixture becomes pale in color. Then add the flour and continue mixing. Add the milk in a heavy base saucepan and boil it. Add some amount of the boiled milk to the eggs. Stir intensively. Then pour everything back into the saucepan. Cook on a very low heat, whisking continuously until the cream has thickened. Bake from 3 to 5 minutes or about it. Pour the cream into a bowl and cool a little. Then cover the surface of the cream with the cling film. Important! The cling film should be in contact with the cream. After that's done, put the bowl in the refrigerator. Preheat the oven and roll the puff pastry out into a large, thick rectangle. Place it on a baking tray. Bake for 10 minutes, then reduce the temperature and dust the top of the pastry with icing sugar. Place a sheet of non-stick baking paper on the top. Then put a second baking tray in order to prevent the pastry from puffing up. In this video I didn't do that and almost failed, so pay attention to it. Bake for another 20-25 minutes. Sort the mixed berries. Remove the pastry from the oven and allow it to cool. Cut it out with a bread knife. My pastry was puffing up and I cut it along. Whip the cream. Fold the whipped cream into the pâtissière carefully. Refrigerate until you are ready to serve. Assemble the millefeuille just before serving. Spread the jam on the top, then cover it with cream pâtissière. Place berries on the top. Repeat this step, then top with the last pastry. Decorate with icing, sugar and berries. Serve immediately. Enjoy!